Puzzle box game is played by 2 or more players, 1 player at a time. To perform the game, players will put their hands inside a box with 2 holes on one side and open on the other. Players are given a puzzle to solve within a given time limit. This video will show one player's turn. After completing a puzzle, the player is given a new one. Every solved puzzle will be counted as a point. Player who gives up on a puzzle will be given a new puzzle to solve. When the time limit is finished, scores will be tallied up and the player who finishes the most puzzles within a given time limit is considered the winner. This player solved 2 puzzles within 2 minutes.